In this video, I want to show you how to fold down the rear seats of your Jeep Cherokee. All right, so first of all, what you need to do is to go over here on the corner of the rear seats, and there is a latch and there's another latch over there. Pull on it and at the same time bring the backrest completely down. If the front seat is completely back on its rear tracks over here, the headrest may rub over here, so make sure that the seat is pushed forward slightly, or remove the headrest. To remove the headrest, you have a button, you see, that you need to push and it will be able to slide out. Do the same thing on the other side and the floor will be flat and you'll have a lot more space. To put back the seat, you simply have to drag it back and it will lock. You don't have to use the latch over here when time comes to bring them back. But overall, this is it. If you found my video helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks again.